Hi, welcome to your channel. Today, my husband and I will share with you how we make over our cousin's bedroom. This is their room before the makeover. They are sisters and love to share a room together. The goal is making the room relaxing, adding some plants and flowers, and also having more storage space. Stay along until the end of the video for some tips that you can apply if you're planning on giving your home a makeover. First, before I plan, I make sure that I have every measurement of the room. I carry it with me when I shop for furniture and decor, in case I need to check if something would fit in a corner or a wall. I pick out a few shades of the paint color that I like, then I bring the samples to the lighting department. The lighting of my cousin's room is warm white, so I want to check to see how each shade actually looks like under warm white lighting. Cleaning the area before putting on the painting tape gives us a nice straight line after taking it off, and also I can utilize this chance to clean these areas of the room. Instead of buying new outlet plates, I spray paint over the old ones, not only to make them look new, but I can choose any color I like. If you plan to get some furniture from IKEA, make sure to check the SE section of the store first. Most of the furniture at this section are as good as new, and they are up to 50% off the original price. Another tip is to iron new bought curtains before hanging them up. This makes a really big difference, and they will look as nice just like the store pictures. We switch out the old fan that's come with the original room and plan to use it for the living room of the house. Because we're going for a modern and simple look for this room, while the living room downstairs is more classic. Again, if you can find a cheaper alternative for something you're looking for, but it doesn't come in the color that you like, you can always paint over it, including stuff that you already have at home, to match with the new room style. I find cord channels are great to hide messy cords. They're really cheap as well, and don't forget to paint over it to match your wall color. I think having an inspiring or uplifting quote creates some positivity and happiness in a room.
Okay, Google, I'm home.
Hi, welcome home.
Okay, Google, change the fan speed to 3.
Okay, setting the ceiling fan speed to 3.
For this room, we put this quote above the mirror by the door so my cousin can always see it before going outside.
Okay, Google, good night.
Good night.
That's it guys, thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you some ideas and inspirations. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more room transformation videos like this one in the future. Bye!